When God is about to move in the direction of His children, He will always give them an exact instruction to sanitize themselves.
As part of the PNP, in every event that will take place, the PNP will devise a security plan. And that security plan is based on the past congresses that have been held in MVC. And one of the main problems in every congress is the traffic flow. And because of that, the organizers, together with the PNP, has strategized traffic directions on so that the traffic congestion will be addressed. And so, because of that, during the opening day, we have observed, as compared to the past congresses, that the traffic flow is smooth. Like the past Youth Congress, some of them have experienced that there was really a traffic congestion during the time. So as compared today, there was no problem with regards to the traffic flow.
Yeah. How about the security, sir?
Now, with regards to security, there are many PNP personnel that have been placed in different strategic areas around MVC campus to ensure the security and safety of every delegates. And because of that, the security and safety of MVC Congress, SSD Congress, is very manageable.
Wow, that's great to know, sir. Thank you so much for your time, sir, and God bless you.
Thank you.
When it comes sa ato ang proper disposal sa ato ang mga basura, day one pa lang sa ato ang Congress, ang instruction nato sa ato ang mga delegado nga diin ilahang ilahi gyud ang matag basura nga diin ilahang mag-gather. Gani naglainta og tulo ka klase nga mga basura ug mapuno na kini ilaha kining ibutang dito sa butanganan unya mo provide na pod og another nga butanganan. I-maintain ang kalimpyuhon aron usab kita makatabang sa ato ang Congress nga diin kini siya magpabilin nga limpyo hangtod matapos.
When God manifested Himself to His children, He calls for both physical and spiritual purification to prepare the way. It's not just about cleaning our bodies, but also purifying our hearts and soul. This is Adeline Kenti reporting for Adventist Asia Weekly.